Health officials in Johnson County also with another news conference for us here today on this Friday. There are currently 14 positive cases of coronavirus in Johnson County. 14 of Iowa's 17 cases are there. Well, today we learned more about those positive cases and how Johnson County officials are preparing, what their plans are to try to slow down any spread. KWW reporter Ashley Neighbor was at that press conference for us earlier today. She's live right now with some of the answers that they got. Tell us more.
Yeah, Abby and Ron, today we learned that those infected with COVID-19 in the county all coming from 2 Egyptian cruise ships. Now, we don't know the total number of people on board, but we do know those ships almost only carrying Iowans from Johnson County.
There are currently 14 positive cases in Johnson County, and all are individuals from the Egyptian cruise. At this time, there's not been community spread.
Johnson County's public health director says returning cruise members were all told to self-isolate.
Other individuals are still home, and we're monitoring those symptoms twice a day in contact with those individuals.
But not everyone on board was tested.
They have been tested if they're showing symptoms.
And the state health department is updating its guidelines to increase access to testing kits.
Testing will increase as of today, but as far as being assured, we're taking guidance from the medical professionals, from CDC. I know there's conflicting reports in the community about the ability for asymptomatic individuals to spread this disease, but we're following those national guidelines.
The Iowa City Community School District says it's still going to hold classes, while UI has now canceled all recreation and face-to-face meetings as classes switch to online, at least until April 3rd. On-campus housing will stay open. As for spring break,
students who return from areas with confirmed cases of COVID-19 will be asked to monitor their health and call the Student Health Nurse Line if they begin to experience symptoms.
UIHC and Mercy Iowa City officials say they've been preparing staff for the possibilities of more hospitalizations.
Like the national trend, there are going to be capacity constraints, as we both have patients already. But as this progresses, we have internal prioritization and ability to ensure that the right patients get access to the right resources at the right time.
Now, there are currently 128 Iowans still being monitored by the Iowa Department of Public Health and 29 pending tests. Now, it is unknown if all of those people were on board the cruise ships. Now, I'll have all of this information and that new criteria for the testing kits on our website very soon. Live in the Iowa City newsroom, Ashley Neighbor, News 7 KWWL.
Yeah, Ashley, thank you very much. Yeah, you mentioned the Iowa City Community School District remaining open, but the district says it will be updating parents soon to any changes coming to the school schedule. In fact, they say no later than Thursday.
And Johnson County Public Health says right now the risk to Iowans is still low.